Let me show you what you can do in order to try to solve your issues with mobile data on Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro. The first thing that we're gonna do is, of course, open settings and choose more connectivity options. In here we can find the airplane mode. Sometimes we can turn on the airplane mode by accident, and of course we don't really want to have airplane mode enabled because if that's the case, then we cannot use mobile data. So just check if the airplane mode is not on. Usually, of course, we can see the airplane icon on the status bar. So this can be the indicator, of course, that the airplane mode is on. But if you have airplane mode disabled, then what you can do next is you can go to mobile networks. Now, in here we're gonna start by selecting the well, first we're gonna actually start by looking at the mobile data option, because if the mobile data is disabled over here, then naturally you will not be able to use mobile data. So make sure that it is on. And in addition to that, if you have more than one SIM, then you can also see these options where we have the data SIM option. And in this case, if, for example, you set up or use the wrong SIM that you are not supposed to use for mobile data because, for example, it doesn't have access to mobile data, then of course you might want to fix that. Just make sure that the correct SIM is selected over here. But if you have just one SIM and you still don't have access to mobile data, then another thing that we can do is go to the settings of the SIM. And in here, the only thing really that we can verify is the preferred network type. And if you, for example, switched from 5G to LTE, then what you can do is simply switch back to 5G, at least temporarily, in order to see if that makes any difference. Sometimes if we do not use 5G connection, this can be the cause of some problems with mobile data, why your signal might not be really that stable, and so on. However, if you did everything that I just had shown you and you still don't have access to the mobile data, or if you have issues with mobile data, then there is one more thing that we can do on our phone. We can go back to more connectivity options, and then in here we can choose to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. And in here, unfortunately, we cannot separate these things. So if you reset these settings, all of these three settings will be actually reset. So you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices after resetting all of these networks. Also, you might want to choose the proper SIM card or SIM in general. For example, if you are supposed to use SIM number 1 and it doesn't work, I mean the mobile data doesn't work with SIM number 1, just make sure that the SIM is selected. If you use just one SIM, then most likely you don't see this option. So after resetting these settings, you want to go back and just go into the mobile network settings again and just make sure that the mobile data and the correct SIM is selected, and that's all. And then check if that works, if the mobile data actually works, before changing everything else in these settings. And if none of this helps, if you still have issues with mobile data, if you cannot use mobile data properly, then what you can do is you can simply try to contact your carrier or service provider in order to see if there's like any issue on their side, if there is any outage, for example, or something. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.